Installing the Ultimate Post Kit add-on is easy. Begin by navigating to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. From there, click the Add New Plugin button. Next, search for Ultimate Post Kit in the search bar and click the Install Now button to start the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an option to activate the plugin immediately. After activation, you may see a welcome notification. If prompted, click Yes. I'd love to contribute to ensure you never miss important updates. Make sure you install and activate the Elementor plugin, as it is essential for using Ultimate Post Kit. In the dashboard side menu, you'll notice a new Ultimate Post Kit tab. Inside this tab, you'll find options such as Dashboard, Core Widgets, Extensions, API Settings, Other Settings, and the Get Pro tab. If you'd like to upgrade to the Pro version, simply click the Purchase Now button and enjoy additional features. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for using Ultimate Post Kit. Please like and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials. See you soon!